Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the drone in the sky. An initiative by the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, leveraging drone technology to deliver essential medical supplies and diagnostic services to remote and inaccessible areas. The Government of Arunachal Pradesh is committed to ensuring that every individual, no matter how remote, has access to the healthcare they need. Drone-based diagnostic services, that is the DBD is the next phase of the successful Medicine from the Sky project in Arunachal Pradesh. Building on the progress of phase 1 in East Kamen, this initiative highlights the government's commitment to improving healthcare access through drone technology. In collaboration with Red Wings Bengaluru, under a drone as a service model, phase 2 aims to connect 110 villages across East Kamen and Pakistan districts, serving over 30,646 people. The project will utilize a node and a spoke model with district hospitals as hubs and community and primary health centers as spokes. A key development will be the drone link between KIMS Nahalagan, that is a state hospital, and the SEPA, East Kamen and Pakistan, enhancing connectivity between district and state hospitals.
ड्रोन बहुत ही सफलतापूर्वक आज ये पार्क के परेड ग्राउंड के ठीक बीचों बीच सफलतापूर्वक लैंड कर चुकी है।
Ladies and gentlemen, a small flower bouquet being presented to our Honorable Chief Minister as it flew from the Ramakrishna Mission Hospital to this parade ground as a gesture and a mark of respect. A small bouquet being presented to Honorable Chief Minister. This signifies and shows all of us how the drone technology can be used, is being used in the field of healthcare in Arunachal Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, as our Honorable Chief Minister accepts the small bouquet and hands over a pouch of medicines, which, ladies and gentlemen, will be taken to the drone, and further, these medicines will be delivered to the places where there's a demand and need. This present activity is symbolic of how this drone-based diagnostic services, that is the DBDS2, would be implemented.
ड्रोन के जरिए माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय जी के लिए फूलों का गुच्छा लाया गया और अब माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय जी के कर्तव्यों से जो स्वास्थ्य सुविधा है उसे लेकर रेड विंग्स के सदस्य उसे अब ड्रोन के जरिए अपने निर्धारित स्थान पर भेजा जाएगा। ड्रोन विसर्जन एक मानव रहित छोटे विमान या जहाज के समान होता है जो मानव नियंत्रण के बिना या दृष्टि की रेखा से परे स्वायत्त रूप से नेविगेट कर सकता है। वजन कम करने के लिए अलग अलग हल्के मिश्रित पदार्थों से एक ड्रोन बनाया जाता है। ये विभिन्न प्रकार के अतिरिक्त उपकरण से लैस हो सकता है जिसमें कैमरे, जीपीएस, डायरेक्ट मिसाइल, नेविगेशन सिस्टम, सेंसर आदि शामिल होते हैं।
The program in the phase 1 was called the Medicine from the Sky, that is MFTS, which was launched on August 15th in the year 2022 by our Honorable Chief Minister Pema Khandu. This was Asia's and India's first healthcare drone network. And now we are in the second phase, which is being called the drone-based diagnostic services after the successful Medicine from the Sky project in Arunachal Pradesh. The pilot phase 2 of DBDS project is coming, making significant strides for reducing time taken to deliver blood samples and essential medicine supplies to remote health centers. Indeed.
राज्य के दूर दराज के इलाकों में ड्रोन के जरिए किस तरह से हम जरूरी सुविधाएं पहुंचा सकते हैं उसका बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन रेड विंग और राज्य के स्वास्थ्य तथा कल्याण विभाग की ओर से और अब राज्य के विभिन्न विभागों की पहलू झांकी आप सबके समक्ष प्रस्तुत की जाएगी।
As a part of this grand celebration, the 78th Independence Day celebration here at IG Park Itanagar, we now have 21 tableau display from various state departments and PSUs from our state, all depicting their initiatives, programs and schemes and activities to create more awareness. We are all proud to have all parts of our system in motion. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll now have the tableau display.
सबसे आगे स्पोर्ट्स अचीवर्स डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स के डब्ल्यू
Ladies and gentlemen, with 900 plus medals in numerous national and international events, Arunachal Pradesh has also risen to number 2nd amongst the northeastern states and number 21st all India at the National Games 2023. The tableau of the Department of Sports, comprising of 97 sports persons who've made the state proud, is a representation of the major leap we've all made in the field of sports over the last few years. The tableau is also a representation of all major disciplines like taekwondo, boxing, karate, weightlifting, hand-to-hand fight, kickboxing, tug of war, para-powerlifting, para-badminton, blind football, Paralympics, archery and wushu. We see all the achievers, sports persons as they walk past the Department of Sports. Display this tableau of sports achievers in front of all of us. A great moment to rejoice in all our achievements, to salute our sports persons and the dedication and the devotion they're putting for our state, paving the way forward for the younger generation to understand the importance of sports and physical activity in our daily life.
देवी सजन राज्य के जाने माने खिलाड़ी जिन्होंने विभिन्न स्पर्धाओं में सबसे आगे तिरंगा लहराता है वो सलामी मंच के सामने देश के साथ आगे बढ़ता है।
We have achievers like Radha, Bansia, Kinsan, Wansu, Munka, Uli, Achum, Sangha, Lipi, Nudu, Meeching, Kaja, Kami, Bagam, Muskan, Manu, Kadal, Kuku, and many more.
हेलो वो मेरा आपको का दिखा
All these
करप्शन
sports
डिपार्टमेंट
achievers making our state proud and putting our state in the sporting map in the country and also internationally. A great salute to all these achievers.
निको में कोई है
राज्य के जाने माने खिलाड़ियों का समूह सलामी मंच के सामने है वो तिरंगा
पानी फेंक रहे हैं
Ladies and
वो
gentlemen, the
डेम
Department of Youth Affairs has been focusing more on promotion and development of adventure sport activities and mountaineering, as the state is bestowed with tremendous natural potential that are yet to be explored. And we have personalities in the
Municipal corporation.
mountaineer honored by prestigious Tenzing Norgay Lightning Award.
गन्ना भी लगे
Successfully reached the summit and launched Everest Tachang Fasang,
बनाया हुआ
Mr.
है।
India,
बनाया
2023, Mr. India, National Universe and country. Tadu Nuri, the reigning kingfisher, Mr. National, Tenzing Norgay, the first military rider, Ducati Magistrada,
ओए इवी
Baby Tada,
Electric
and
car.
Nathan Kepler, and Nida Kishana, all here in the tableau display by the youth and sports.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ यूथ एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हाइड्रो पावर डेवलपमेंट
रेस्ट नहीं कर पाएगी गिर गया
Hydropower showcases the Golden Jubilee Border Village Illumination Program, setting up 50 micro and mini hydropower projects as green energy source.
खिलाड़ी मंच को गुजरता हुआ वाटर रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट
Tableau, the Water Resource Department tableau presentation.
ओ साइकिल चलाने आते ओ लिख क्या बोल तो ये वीडियो बनाए लोग
Water conservation project.
चाहता क्या
The third tableau, as you can see, is of the Water Resource Department with the national campaign Catch the Rain When It Falls and Where It Falls and Amrit Sarovar mission, featuring the CK project in Lower Subansiri district. As we witness all these tableaus, very interestingly, all the personalities in the sports and
ये
youth
देखो ये
affairs
साइकिल
leading
साइकिल
the
चलाने वाला कोई दिखाई दे रहा है क्या
district.
स्कूबा डाइवर
Next
वाला
is the NIPCO,
साइकिल चलाने वाला कोई दिखाई दे रहा है।
One CPSC status. NIPCO showcases its strong
डायरेक्ट
presence
फ्रंट
in
में
Arunachal
कुत्ता भी है
Pradesh
हमें
with
बस है ना
multiple
बस
star projects displaying through this.
एक तो बस है ना यहाँ में एक तो देखो ना
मिलकर के पश्चात डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टूरिज्म की झांकी
Displaying its tableau on the field.
आओ ना आओ ना
Arunachal
फ्रंट में बैठ रहे हैं यहाँ में बस पे बस है एक तो
programs like
सोशल मीडिया लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग बस का नाम है ये देखो ये लाइन में है
Pariyatan Shiksha Yojana and successful tourism models in the state heritage tea village, Shergaon, West
क्या काम है?
Chulyu agro-tourism village.
ईटानगर म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की झांकी
In the field progress of the Canada presents various initiatives of the Department for Progress of
हम
Itanagar,
लोग पीछे साइड में हैं।
IMC, and now the Department of Rural Development.
Oh, shoot it,
To
Kimla,
strengthening of rural livelihood back to sustainable development, the tableau highlights various themes of areas of Arunachal Pradesh, the Mandarga, and the Pradhanmantri Awas Yojana. Now we have APEDA committed to reduction in carbon emission. APEDA highlights its projects and initiatives like PM Kusum C, Zuriga, Muft Bijli Yojana, Go Electric, and Lifestyle Environment. One of the initiatives of the APEDA.
सलामी मंच के सामने अब निमास की झांकी
चौक कतर
Ladies and gentlemen, the National
बोला है तो,
Institute
बोला है,
of
क्या बोलता है?
Mountaineering and Adventure Sports located in Buda presents a tableau showcasing the spirit of adventure sports conducted in the institute,
लो, ये बढ़िया
training
है।
more than 12,000 young Indians in the
इसको
land,
कब लाया होगा
in
ना
land, aero and aqua verticals of adventure sports.
डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड पब्लिक रिलेशंस की झांकी सलामी मंच के सामने
Introduces a social media live streaming mobile van to boost public communication and engagement. Equipped with high resolution LED screens, it will be capable of digital exhibitions, emergency alerts,
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पावर
showcasing two flagship schemes in the tableau: smart metering and Prime Minister Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Ladies and gentlemen, And
Oh,
up
all
next is
India.
the Department of Forest. The tableau
Coal mining.
beautifully depicts the biodiversity
Kasam mein
conservation
coal
efforts of the department, the Egg and Surrender Abhiyan scheme, the Hornbill Nest Adoption Program, also highlighting the Eagle Nest Wildlife Sanctuary.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेज की झांकी
Next we have the Department of Health Team Drug Abuse and HIV/AIDS, creating awareness on drug abuse, various programs and activities undertaken, and also establishment of healthcare facilities.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर की झांकी अब सलाम के सामने
The tableau of Horticulture Department showcases the mushroom cultivation as an industry supported by the department, from trainings to supply of ponds. The department highlights mushroom cultivation as a sustainable and profitable opportunity for farmers and entrepreneurs. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see this giant tableau, Arunachal Pradesh Innovation is rightly termed Innovation and Investment Park, with the theme transforming youth from job seekers to job givers, a key driver of entrepreneurial and investment activity in Arunachal Pradesh, with entrepreneurial impact, support infrastructure, startup ecosystem, recognition and leadership.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जियोलॉजी एंड माइनिंग की झांकी
The geology and mining tableau showcases the open cast coal mining activities in Namchik Nampuk coal block, Changlang district. It also depicts mining activities and operations that ensure environmental protection and sustainable development.
मुख्य मंच के सामने अब ऑयल इंडिया लिमिटेड की झांकी
This tableau of Oil India represents the rich legacy and achievements of Oil India Limited in harnessing the energy of the earth and transforming it into driving force behind the country's industrial and economic prowess. Showcases the efforts of engineers, scientists and workers of Oil India to ensure energy independence.
NHPC लिमिटेड की झांकी सलामी मंच के सामने
A Mini Ratna enterprise of Government of India, NHPC showcases its presence in Arunachal Pradesh and hydropower, with various successful projects in our state contributing to substantial socio-economic benefit to Arunachal Pradesh.
ईटानगर स्मार्ट सिटी डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन की झांकी अब सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने
बैन करेगा
The tableau of the Smart City, Itanagar Smart City Development Corporation Limited showcases the three Smart City initiatives for enhanced citizen experience, highlighting key projects that are transforming